What's up, everybody? So welcome back. Today we are going to be working on my 2015 Dodge Ram here. We're going to be putting a leveling kit into there. The kit that I'm going to be installing is a Motofab kit. I believe I got it about a year ago, a little over a year ago. I can't remember where I got it, but if I can find where I got it, I'll drop a link in the description. But hang tight, and we will get you all set up, and we will get working on my truck. Thanks. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and get this sway bar linkage removed. Not sure if you saw that, but it was just spinning. I'm going to clamp down. We're going to just loosen that for now. Alright. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the ABS brake light sensor here. Okay, so we got this clip here. The way you're going to do it is you're going to pry it up in here. That pops up. Push that in and push out to disconnect. That's how you disconnect it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to loosen it from here. And it clips on down here, just unplugs. Pulls out, and there we go. That is disconnected. Next thing we're going to need to do is support the lower control arm, the jack. Next is disconnecting this upper control arm here. So 21 millimeter. And then you're going to go ahead and drop your jack down a little bit and get your hammer. You're going to hit it right here. And there we go. That's how you disconnect the upper control arm. Next, we're going to disconnect the lower control arm. Just like before, take a hammer, whack it to get it disconnected. There we go. Alright, next thing we're going to do, it's kind of hard to see up in there, but there's 3 strut nuts, one here, one back there, and one there. So we're going to go ahead and get those loosened up and removed. I'm going to loosen 2 out of 3. I'm going to take these 2 off totally, and then this one I'm going to keep just hanging a little bit by the thread. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the lower strut bolt. I'm going to tap that out. Okay, that didn't come out all the way, so we're just going to take a tap, punch. There we go. Bolt is out. Put the nut on it. Next thing to do is to slowly drop the jack down so we get the strut out. So I was having issues with this dropping down, this knuckle here. So I ended up loosening up this here, the axle nut here, and then I got to get 2 of these caliper bracket. Try to see it. This caliper bracket right here. I got to get these 2 nuts out of there. So we're gonna go ahead and get those removed quick. And then support this. So it doesn't drop. And then this, what we're going to do is we're going to actually tie that up onto the frame so it doesn't move anywhere. I ended up having to take the upper sway bar link off too, so this could drop down more. So I went ahead and did that. Now we're just going to push down on this. Take the strut, pull it out. There we go. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our strut here. We're going to put the kit on it.
I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those sights. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in?
There we go. Then we're going to take our nuts, we're going to put them on. Just loosely for now. Next, we're going to put the bolt that we previously took out in. Alright, well, after about an hour of screwing around with this bolt, we finally got her in, so that's good. So we're going to put the nut on, get the right one. And we're going to tighten her down. Reverse is pretty much the install is the reverse of the removal. So we're just going to go ahead and get the upper ball joint back on, get the connecting rod back on, and then finish up. So give me just a sec, let me get set up, and then we'll go ahead and finish. Alright.
Hiding in these crowded places, 'cause when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces. Yeah, we keep on acting like we left no traces, but when our eyes meet, we drop our poker faces.
Now that we semi know what we're doing, that should be a lot faster. green. Alright everybody, well, thanks for watching my video. I'm off to the alignment shop. On that passenger side, I know I didn't get me torquing down the top of the strut tower nuts, but I did get them just tightened down, so they're all good to go. That job, it probably took me about 3 hours or so to do. If I had help, I could probably get it done in 2, but it's kind of hard. So thanks for watching my video. Hit the like and subscribe, and then yeah, share if you want, and we'll check you next time. Thanks a lot.